warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to present our community program service. The topic, the strengthening the legal framework for establishing Muhammadiyah branch on Bangun Jawa Barat Cooperative in Kasihan, Bantul Urgens. And the introduction, we know based on the preliminary study conducted by the service team in November 2025, the Muhammadiyah branch leadership of West Bangun Jiwo located in Kasihan District, Bantul and Yogyakarta Special Region doesn't yet possess an independently managed internal cooperative. In general, the Bangun Jiwo Village has already established the Koperasi Desa, which was officially incorporated as a legal entity in June 2025. This development followed the implementation of the government Asta Cita program, particularly in relation to rural economic empowerment. Especially Muhammadiyah branch on West Bangun Jiwo Village has not yet established its own internal cooperative to empower Muhammadiyah members. To date, its activity have primarily focused on periodic routine religious gathering. Nevertheless, the aspiration among community members to establish a permanent independent cooperative remains. This community service activity aims to provide socialization on the establishment of cooperative, focusing on legal form and classification in accordance with prevailing law and regulation. The Muhammadiyah branch on West Bangun Jiwo Village Cooperative is programmed to become a new spearhead functioning as a catalyst and primary driver of rural economic activity. Furthermore, the presence of a cooperative is expected to prevent reliance on informal money lenders, which remains prevalent in rural economies. We know knowledge regarding the mechanism and requirement for establishing a cooperative constitutes a determining factor in its successful formation. Likewise, legal dispute that may arise must be understood by both cooperative members and administrators. There are two partner issues. The first issues how a limited knowledge regarding the legal foundation governing establishment of the Muhammadiyah branch West Bangun Jiwo Village Cooperative, and the second issues how limited legal awareness concerning constitutional guarantees of the right of founders and members of the Muhammadiyah branch on West Bangun Jiwo Village Cooperative. So now we're going to the result of discussion. We know there are two terms issue on this program. The first, enhancement of knowledge regarding the legal foundation of establishing the Muhammadiyah branch on West Bangun Jiwo Cooperative. On April 6th, at the 2026, a legal mitigation educational program concerning the legal framework for cooperative establishment was conducted at Al Yakin Mosque, West Bangun Jiwo Kasihan District, Bantul Regions. The activity was organized as the Muhammadiyah branch West Bangun Jiwo in interactive discussion on dialogue forum involving target community group and was held over one-day session. The principal objective of the activity was to provide participants with a comprehensive understanding of the legal foundation governing the establishment of cooperative, particularly the relation to propose Muhammadiyah branch on West Bangun Jiwo Cooperative. The educational materials delivered such as the conceptual understanding and definition of the West Bangun Jiwo Village Cooperative, how the legal requirements for cooperative establishment pursuant to applicable laws and regulation, the permissible scope of business activity that cooperative may undertake as a legal entity, and the administrative and legal procedures required to obtain formal legal recognition for cooperative establishment. And then the second discussion, strengthening legal awareness regarding constitutional right in participant within the Muhammadiyah branch on West Bangun Jiwa Cooperative. As a result of this activity, participants gained a practical understanding of various legal mechanisms for dispute resolution, including a strategy for resolving cases involving a breach of contract, for example, civil and civil litigation issues, criminal liability, and non-judicial dispute settlement. This enhanced legal understanding is expected to contribute significantly to future professional transparency and legally compliant governance of the Muhammadiyah branch on West Bangun Jiwa Cooperative in Kasihan, Bantul. The conclusion, we can say that based on the implementation and outcome of the community service program, the legal education and counseling activity conduct to establish the Muhammadiyah branch on West Bangun Jiwa Cooperative significantly enhanced participant understanding and legal awareness of the legal framework governing cooperative formation and management. The program has successfully increasing participant knowledge of the legal requirements, constitutional right, and procedural mechanism related to cooperative establishment, as evidenced by substantial improvement in pre-test and post-test score. So finally, thank you very much. We can say to the Muhammadiyah branch on West Bangun Jiwa Kasihan District Bantul Regions for their support and active participation in facilitating the implementation of this program, and the honors to University Muhammadiyah Jakarta as supporting this program on the community engagement program. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Sumaryona, Ketua Pimpinan Ranting Muhammadiyah Bangun Jiwa Barat. Yang pertama, kami mengucapkan terima kasih yang sebesar-besarnya kepada Civitas UMY, khususnya para dosen pengabdian khusus yang telah mengabdi di Pimpinan Ranting Muhammadiyah Bangun Jiwa Barat. Jazakumullah khairan jazaa. Dan mudah-mudahan program-program yang dilaksanakan kemarin bermanfaat dan berkelanjutan. Banyak apresiasi yang diberikan kepada kami bahwa program ini akan terus berjalan, mudah-mudahan. Maka harapan kami mudah-mudahan ada tindak lanjut dari Universitas Muhammadiyah Jakarta berkaitan program-program ini sehingga akan bermanfaat bagi warga Muhammadiyah khususnya dan umat pada umumnya yang ada di Bangun Jiwa Barat ini. Demikian, dan ada hal-hal yang kurang kami mohon maaf yang sebesar-besarnya. Sekali lagi kami apresiasi dan terima kasih yang sebenarnya kepada Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Semoga jaya selalu. Amin ya robbal alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.